Did this one. And this is just, yeah. Just for a look. I will say that since we put up this shade, oh man, it's been a game changer for these plants. And now this is a 40% shade cloth. Now, I will say, I think one little spot where I've been messing up is that I'm not consistent with fertilizing how very well should be. How very well should be. Okay, how do this? I'm going to move this over to here. Because I'm going to put the rest of this fertilizer. Stay alive for next season. Look at these. These are so cute. I went from this first flower to this, and look at here, look. And it was, this is before I moved it into the shade, this part right here. I just came out here. That one, I don't know if it's done or not. I'm gonna have to look that up. Look at this little bug, y'all. Look at this bug. I don't know what these are, but they are on my plant. Look at that. These are my zinnias. So I'm guessing, marigold. So I'm guessing this marigold is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. And it's keeping those little bugs off of my tomato plants at least. I did spray some neem oil, and I've got some Sevin Dust mix that I'm going to do later on this evening when the sun's not so hot. This plant here is a germinate plant from this tomato plant. It has not given me any tomatoes yet. I've seen lots of flowers. But I think what I'm going to do with my tomatoes, because it doesn't seem like I'm very good at self-pollinating these things, I think what I'm going to do is get some that pollinate. What are they, hybrids or something like that? I'm going to check that out and see how that works. I have heard that when you buy hybrid seeds, it's not always for certain what you get. So I'm curious to see